Hi, I'm Jeff Campbell. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Houk Air Conditioning. So Houk's been around since 1962. It serves Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, Austin, and San Antonio markets. I worked at Superpath and worked on the Houk account for many years. Obviously, having familiarity with Superpath was great because I could rely on an agency that allowed me to do the things that I wanted to do and knew that I could scale those up very quickly. In 2 years of working with Superpath, Houk has been able to double its residential revenue. The value of having Superpath as a partner is it's a ready-made HVAC expert. They know the things that we need to be doing and able to really work with them on a collaborative effort as opposed to just feeling like they're telling me what needs to happen. For me, Superpath has always been a trusted resource. Being able to understand that the team at Superpath not only is studying what the industry is going through and how it's evolving, but also understanding how we can grow. And being able to proactively plan for that allows us to really think about our growth in an organic and healthy way. Well, I think agencies like Superpath are really important because as people are learning more about the trades, having a place like Superpath allows us to tell our story and really demonstrate that this is a great industry to be in